So welcome to the new video of this playlist in which we see the exercise numerical problems, problem 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.3 respectively. So first we start one by one the numerical problem 1.1, which a light year is the distance that a light travels in 1 year. This is the time t. How many meters this is required are there in 1 light year. Speed of light is given as c is equal to 3 exponent 8 meter per second. I will open the solution. Given data, know that time t is equal to 1 year, which is given in a 1 year there are 365 days and each day contains 24 hours and each hour contains 60 minutes and each minute contains 60 seconds. So we will multiply these 24, 60 and then 60 again to get seconds in a year. So this is the seconds in a year. We will use time t in unit second because we have given speed of light as meter per second. So we know that s is equal to v over t, or velocity is equal to s over t. Simple, using the relation of velocity we will calculate s is equal to 9.5 exponent 15 meters. So these are the meters in 1 light year. So this is the first numerical problem. Next one is how many seconds are there in 1 year, how many nanoseconds are there in 1 year, how many years are in 1 second. So 3 problems are asked in this numerical problem. We'll see. As we know already, t mean they are 365 days in a 1 year. Required data to find is seconds in 1 year, nanoseconds in 1 year, years in 1 second. As 1 year is equal to 365 days, we already have calculated this. 1 year contains 3.15 exponent 7 seconds. So 1 year is equal to 3.15 exponent 7 seconds and 1 nano is equal to 1 second is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 nanoseconds. So multiply by this will give answer 1 year having nanoseconds. So this was the part B. Part 1 was seconds in 1 year. This was already calculated in the previous numerical, but we have seen this again, how to calculate seconds in a year. Then 1 year contains how many nanoseconds? We know seconds in a year, we will simply multiply it with 10 raised to the power 9 to get it in the 1 year containing nanoseconds. So third one is 1 year is equal to how many years in 1 second. So simply we will rearrange this equation. This one in part 1, which is asked, calculated already. 1 year is equal to this seconds. So we will write this one as it is. Then we will rearrange replacing 1 second, keeping on one side and dividing this factor on the other side by 1. We will find the answer that 1 second that 3.717 exponent minus 8 years. So this is 1 second is equal to how many years. So this is from this video. We will see next problem in the next video.